You know what is not hideous is this delicious food we're about to make with Elisabeth Watkins. She's the farm girl chef telling us about National Dairy Month. So, what are we making here in the kitchen?
So my favorite dairy product of all time is yogurt, and more specifically Greek yogurt. I eat it at least once a day, sometimes twice. So I want to make a Greek yogurt bark. I know kids are out of school, it's super hot outside, we don't want to turn the oven on, but we want something, a snack, and then the kids can get in the kitchen. So to make this, I have a cup of Greek yogurt here. And I'm gonna sweeten it with a little bit of honey. I like to buy plain because if I use it in savory dishes, I don't wanna have to buy two vanilla and then plain. And once we mix it all together, we just spread it onto a baking sheet. Now I've lined this with parchment paper, and it's important that you do that so the bark will release from the pan. And then we just spread it out about 1/4 of an inch thick. And then it's
we're talking about Greek yogurt too. We're talking high in protein, potassium, calcium, some really good essential nutrients in there.
Dairy has 9 essential nutrients, from calcium all the way down to the protein, and some B vitamins. So what I like to top this with is these dried fruitons. They're from Patterson. It's actually a family-owned business, and so these are peaches, plums, and nectarines, and it just adds a really pretty color to it. And then unsweetened coconut. I use unsweetened here because I don't want to overdo it with the sugar, because I'm going to add chocolate chips.
And there's plenty of sugar in that, right?
Exactly.
There. How long does it take for something like this to bake?
So this will just go into the freezer for 3 to 4 hours, and some slivered almonds. But one thing that's really important about the dairy industry, and that I should mention, is that there's 8.7 million dairy cows here in the U.S. So they're producing a lot of milk, and June the production goes up because the cows are happy, and so there's more milk. So we need to make sure that we use that milk and don't make it go to waste.
Yeah, don't let it go to waste. As you see here, this is really simple. You did this in a matter of seconds.
Yes, exactly. So it's great for the kids. The recipe is on my blog, farmgirlchef.us, and you can make this your own. Maybe you don't want to use almonds. Maybe you want to use some walnuts or some pistachios or some fresh blueberries. So it's really versatile too.
I like that, with some berries to it. I think I would do that. I would add some berries to this. Thank you so much. And we're going to be checking in on the finished product because we do have that here. So stay with Fox 40 News, and we're going to show that to you. Probably going to try it ourselves because it does look very good. All right, guys, we're going to send it back to you.
All right, thank you, Pedro. On to you.
Dairy Month, so this amazing treat. Tell us what we got here, the finished product.
So this is a Greek yogurt bark. We sweeten the yogurt with honey, drizzled on chocolate chips, almonds, these fruitons, which are peaches, nectarines, and they're from Patterson. You can find them. They'll be in Save Mart stores in the fall, or trainafoods.com. And then I did chocolate chips.
Can I share? Can we
definitely.
share? Because I know that they're definitely going to want.
Great recipe for kids. Takes about 3 hours in the freezer. You can find my recipe for it on my blog, farmgirlchef.us.
And it's very easy. I mean, we did this in a matter of minutes, just putting it together. All you need is exactly the Greek yogurt, and like you mentioned, some things you want in it.
Yep, you can add fresh fruit, or maybe you want to swap out the nuts for something else, or add granola on there. It's really versatile.
So
it's really good.
Did you get this recipe from somewhere, or is this something you've just been making?
I created it. I eat yogurt every day, so this is just another form to eat it.
And, you know, some people might not want regular yogurt. Like I bought regular yogurt the other day, and I wasn't a fan of it. But when I did like strawberry, I like that, right? So this is another way of doing regular yogurt.
Exactly, and you can control what exactly you put in it. Not a lot of extra added sugar or any fruit concentrates.
And it's National Dairy Month. 9 essential nutrients in it. You're talking potassium. You're talking
calcium, protein.
So go out. Get some of these, eat it up, check out her blog. There you go. Thank you for joining us.
Bye, boys.
Bye.